Rise to fame, how to be a content creator on Instagram. Are you ready to dive into the world of content creation on Instagram? Becoming a content creator on Instagram is not just about sharing photos or videos. It's about crafting a unique brand identity and engaging with your audience in meaningful ways. Whether you're passionate about fashion, travel, or food, Instagram offers a platform to express yourself and connect with like-minded individuals around the globe. What is a content creator on Instagram? A content creator on Instagram produces and shares original content to entertain, inform, or inspire their audience. Creators use various formats such as photos, videos, stories, and reels to engage with their followers. Unlike traditional celebrities, Instagram content creators rise to prominence through creativity and authenticity. They spark conversations, drive engagement, and build meaningful connections. Importance of knowing how to be a content creator. Mastering the art of becoming a content creator holds significant importance. Personal branding. Effectively showcase your identity, values, and expertise, shaping your digital reputation. Career opportunities. Opens doors to diverse opportunities in digital marketing and social media. Revenue generation. Monetize your content through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and more. Influence and impact. Communicate effectively, build communities, and drive positive change. Creativity and expression. Unleash your creativity and share your unique perspectives. Tips for becoming a content creator. Navigating the path to becoming a content creator with confidence involves understanding these elements. Embrace your creativity, engage authentically, and don't hesitate to collaborate with others. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.